What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Steven Vasquez, man, coming with another bang. It's your boy Steven Vasquez, man. You won't regret the daily content. Link is in the description if you want me to react to any video. You know, this is what I'm here for. I do this. You know, I'm more than happy to, you know, react to any videos y'all, you know, would like me to react to. And guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are new. You won't regret it. You know, I'm new to the YouTube channel. Like, you know, let's get me to 100 subscribers. I would appreciate that, man. I know, you know, my last video, you know, I uploaded my last video like a day ago. You know, I'm back with another one. I feel great. You feel me? Look, you know, after my birthday, you know, I had to get a little dressing, you know, with the little doobie rag. But yeah, guys, you know, how y'all feeling today, man? Is everything all right? With y'all, are y'all having a blessed day? If y'all are, you know, keep on being great. You know, I'm happy for y'all. You know, yeah, I feel good, man. You to react to some more videos, man. All right, we're about to watch DDG meets Baby Daddy. Yeah, so you know how Seven's, you know, boyfriend or whatever. He looks, you know, like a quiet, you know, I'm not gonna say anti-social, but he look like he don't talk much. I don't know why I'm saying that. I don't even know the person or whatever. But yeah, let's watch the video. Let's see what's all that awkwardness about between them two. You know, especially DDG being around the daddy, because you know they work together, you know, as partners or whatever. And I don't know how, you know, how the baby daddy would feel about that. You know, on, you know, her being around him while he's not around, you feel me? And look at that little cute baby. She looks just like the mom. It's a girl, right? The baby. Yeah, it's a mom, I think. But yeah, here we have them, you know, they're eating, I think, is crabs from MUKBANG. MUKBANG. I don't know if I said that right, but yeah. Yeah, we about to react to this. You know, make sure you hit that smash button, the like button, I'm sorry. And yeah, let's get into the video, man. Enjoy it. It's your boy Steven Vasquez, bleh. And yeah, let's watch it.
And look who I have here. You guys have been asking and asking and asking, and here we go. I have DDG, and I have Baby Daddy, and Baby Six too. Y'all ready to eat? So you want to answer some questions?
That nigga looks serious as shit, bro. Tell me he don't.
Big Daddy, you know they used to call me nothing, just call me Baby Dad. So good to eat all the time.
Really? He looks so freaking shy or whatever. He looks scared. Look at his face. Look at his face. He about to get it in. He about to eat that good seafood, huh? He didn't even look at him while he spoke. But they just thought.
They got it. You need to learn to talk. They think you don't girl meat. We just sit, eat, and talk.
We just woke up. You don't ask that.
Okay, we can ask questions that help you talk. Our first question can be, we'll just look at let's get straight to it. Does Taliban like the pranks that he does?
Why did that make stuff awkward, man? Why did that be the first question?
This is what the people want to know.
Wait, how about I be liking the prank stuff? Oh, you like it? Yeah, man, it's just pranks, you know. Very excited to do this porn song. Yeah, man, appreciate it. You're a good actor, though, so.
I'm a good actor?
Yeah. That's what's up.
Why do you think I'm a good actor?
What's up, man? I'm trying my best to crack open this crab. I know that.
No.
Somebody that had no fight.
Which one? Who do you know? Adele, you know her? You know how you know her? Well, how do you think you know her?
Oh, I just ain't a bad.
That's my damn cousin, stupid. Yes.
DDG like, ooh, like I ain't trying to get into that.
Did you know my cousin from?
why the little baby so freaking focused, yo? With them eating and shit with the crab and whatever. She got the orange on deck. She like, man, I wish I could have some of that carb. She wants some of that, man. Look at her. She's like, man, why you give me this little freaking orange? Man, I want some of that.
I don't need to be doing all the picture picking because, question picking because I'm trying to eat.
So why you saying that?
Okay.
Is this a potato?
Yeah. So, first impressions, that's a weird question to ask so soon because we're not all the way in it. But so far, everybody good?
Yeah.
Charlamagne, you will?
Yeah.
Why the baby so focused with her eating, yo? I'm dead.
You know, everybody got that one song they listen to when they feel themselves or some shit like, hey, this my shit. My shit might go to the club or something. Yeah. You're listening to Jumpman and baby like Halloween, Taliban. That's really hype.
I think you were in jail when it came out. Were you?
Yeah.
He didn't get that vibe.
Jail? You went to jail before?
You're
What
saying
for?
like it's a casual place like school.
I was out of Victoria High School.
It's not normal out there.
I know one nigga been in jail. Didn't want to go to jail.
Well, that means you have a very bad person.
That shit cool though.
He got into jail. He was out.
Did he just say that shit cool though? Boy, bro, I mean, you is bugging talking about some jail was cool. Yeah, I know there was something going on, weird vibes, but yeah, DDG, yeah, he not about that life, I guess.
Victorian.
Talking about some shit.
Were you really valedictorian?
You
You get to get the speech and everything. The valedictorian in my school is awesome, you know it all.
I was the nerd in the basement. I had like girls and shit. They used to do their homework and shit.
I used to do their homework. Okay.
Well, that's also like that.
Yeah, that's
Bro, he don't even, I don't know, I feel like he don't like talking or whatever. The baby dad don't even like to talk. He's talking so low or whatever.
In the jungle. In the jungle Taliban, not the street jungle.
That's the street called the jungle.
No, I'm just, you gotta be very.
I ain't survived in the jungle, like real jungle. I don't do that all bullshit.
You can ask that on the first day. Are you like outdoorsy?
I would be, but I feel like you survive for sure.
I would for sure survive. I know how to cook food, make fire, pitch a tent. Like, if the end of the world happens tomorrow, I'm cool. Taliban is like, dead weight. Ooh, this is a good one, and it makes this about me. They want the both of you to describe my personality.
Crazy. Yeah. Bipolar. No shit. Psycho. Oh, fuck.
Psycho.
You don't have
Called her own boyfriend psycho. His own girlfriend, I'm sorry.
You don't have nothing good to say about me? Go ahead, DDG. Go about this one.
I think you are very. You're a very good hard worker.
He don't wanna freaking be like, oh, you a bad worker or whatever. You be in these crazy shows or whatever. Not in front of her boyfriend. He won't do that. He wanna be all nice and shit, cause he, in the camera in the picture. right? Or he not gonna talk bad, about her. You feel me? Like, since she with the family or whatever, he gonna want to talk good about her. I mean, even though she probably never been bad with him, she always been a good person with him, whatever. But y'all people be talking about y'all look like a cute couple, whatever. Like, yo, y'all be tripping in them comments, bro. I know y'all seen those comments about them too and shit. That's corny.
I feel like you're determined. I feel like you are, how to say this, you have an interesting story. I think you are talented. I think you are scary as well. You are more good than that.
Hey, look, I'll ask this question in 3 more months and see if I should switch up. He gonna say the same answer, that's it.
Wait, what's gonna happen?
He wants me to re-ask you this question.
No, if she's a psycho, she's bipolar. She probably gonna he wants him to tell her like what she gonna be in like 3 more months, since she's doing good in the beginning, I guess. But I feel like he a jealous type, no cap.
I don't understand what's gonna happen in 3 months.
You gonna say the same answer, that's it. Crazy, psychotic, all that.
Ask him why.
What you gonna do to me?
Nothing. Ask Taliban every time I have been crazy or psychotic.
Taliban.
Man, look, when I first met her, she was an angel, man.
No, I wasn't. I can't help you about that.
You gave me that impression.
I was just quiet. I didn't have much to say. You don't show everybody everything at once. Gotta give it 7 doses.
Oh, shit.
Shut up. How do the both of you do music? Have you guys heard each other's music?
Yeah.
Have you heard
I took
something?
on one of your songs. It's a dark video, right?
Feel that? Like, yeah, sorry, feel that. So the question, I say that to say, because someone asked, do you guys like each other's music?
Yeah, I fuck with that. That is gay.
He's saying that. Yeah.
How many songs you got?
He's the worst rapper ever.
That's a joke.
Dial.
But did you like the one song that you heard? Like,
I listened to it when you first started working with us. I listened to it again. And she got my song for sure.
While we're on the topic of music, somebody asked, do y'all think y'all would ever do a song together?
No, they wouldn't.
Never, man. Never.
Y'all rapping styles are always so different. Taliban only talks about shooting up bang bang.
But that's just hot. That's hot, huh?
I told him he gotta switch it up and get on some like lovey-dovey shit too. Now, it's rappers we talk about emotions, That's what's hot really, those slow rap songs about their girlfriends. You can make a good song with them.
I don't got no motivation for it.
That would make me. Why do you feel so mean to me?
I'm fine, Mo.
You
How
said
do you say, Mo?
The little baby's like, man, get me out of here, man. I want to fuck all of y'all up and get and steal the food. I want to fuck all of y'all up and shit. Yo, she look unbothered. She's like, man, I don't want to hear none of this awkward shit with all of y'all in here. You feel me? Like, she want to get out. She don't want to be in the camera.
That was it. I know niggas in New York that say Mo.
really? That's from DC.
Mo came from DC?
Yeah. Mine deserves more than that.
It was absolutely amazing. Guess what? Some corn.
This is so good. I've been like this.
Who bought the food, though? Who planned it and all this? Who did that, huh? Was it 7? Cause I already know damn it wasn't that guy, the baby dad. He didn't want to be a part of that, probably. He always looking serious and shit. Oh! Hey, yo, did y'all guys see that? It was like stuck in her mouth. Oh shit, no poor baby. I told you she want to get out of there.
Whoa, day 6 almost going down.
You got a 6?
Yeah, okay. It's because you're talking to her. It's not
For real?
Mm.
You was talking, I ain't worried about it. He's talking.
They said, who y'all thinking was better?
Huh? Say it again?
Man, look. Cause I let Sam beat me, man.
You did not let me win, Taliban.
Unless you win. 6 supposed to block the
It's who
shot
you
at the
think
end.
was better.
That's your score.
I know for a fact in my soul, if we play 1-on-1, it's gonna be like the worst 1-on-1 he ever played in his life.
Oh, what you got to do about that?
Oh yeah, we need to definitely see a 1-on-1 on that one. Yeah, I like that idea. Actually, did they ever even did a 1-on-1 or like? Yeah, we need to see some shit like that though. You gotta see that. You gotta see that for sure.
That's the next video.
I'm trying to tell you, I'm a hooper. I never made a team in high school. I'm sorry.
Oh, you were on the basketball team for a little bit, though, right?
When?
Oh, I forgot you got kicked out of every high school you were hoping.
Why you like guys like that? You like those type of priorities in guys? Talking about getting kicked out of every school.
Yeah, I can't do. Shoot half-court shots. I can do everything else.
Yeah, do all that shot, don't be sick and half-court shot.
Really?
Boy.
He lied to.
I seen you back when you went against 7 though.
I watched it.
Not maybe you did not let me win.
That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to be that too.
7 told me, she's like, he want to play basketball now, so I want to see what y'all did. Did you just write that note?
You can't write your strap ball note.
I just never did it before. I didn't know. I thought
Did you just bite that and open it?
Sorry, in Maryland we don't do that. We straight up.
Why you be looking like
I
that?
never
He
seen
looking
those
like he's scared when he
little
talks.
openers, the little red ones that look like a shark. Until I got out here. I was like, look at that.
Yeah, but what I was saying was, she told me when the hoop, and then I was seeing that video, and then it kind of made me more so like, do I want to waste my time with this? Because it was gonna happen if I was playing.
Damn.
No, that's the next video. We'll do that without.
Look,
Oh
ain't
shit.
that money
You
with
wish the
you.
shits now.
I think he spent 6 whole college funds so far. I bet it just on 2K alone.
I will whoop your ass. I'm talking about that.
Don't look at it.
Nah, I swear on everything.
All flavor.
No, listen. I swear to God on everything.
Oh, bro, he can't. He like I don't care. Let's see about that. Bro, he with the shits though, bro. You didn't see how heated he got. You don't know that. You see it?
2K over here right now.
No, I'm talking about.
He like,
ass.
no.
Damn, this nigga whoop my ass. Promise you, bro. Promise you, bro.
See?
I'm sorry.
DDG, don't do that, bro. Don't do that. Let me finish my, craft before, we get this shit popping because he with the shit, bro. You heard him? Don't do it. He want the smoke.
I play with everybody. You know I'm heat. Play with everybody. That's it.
Okay, on a lighter note, how many kids do both of you guys want in the future?
I want 2. Girl and a boy.
That's what I think. Whatever I'm pushing out.
Bruh.
Like, I'm gonna be the only baby mama. Well, I'm only trying to do 2. You cool with 2? If we have a girl next, I'll do 2. Are you scared to have a daughter?
Nah.
His vibe is.
gonna just make sure that she grow up. She got to see the house all day, so she can't.
You cannot do that. You want to be worse than how you are with TT?
Yeah, you know how to treat TT.
Exactly.
When I have a daughter, it's gonna be times 30.
She gonna run away. You know, that's what makes them bad. Is when you like really strict on them.
That's what makes a difference. By the time I have a daughter, it's gonna be a virtual world that she can just live in and be safe in the real world. You know what I'm saying?
Big Daddy does not want a girl for all obvious reasons.
Obviously. So keep trying to make me like a bad person.
Exhibit A. The truth behind the bad girl.
Saying all boys, they don't say NBA like LeBron ball.
Okay, why you can't have one girl that could be a...
Because girls can't go to the NBA.
They can go to the WNBA, or she can be a sports manager or whatever.
I know my kids ain't going to the NBA. Tell them niggas when they start trying out for elementary, you might as well not even do that shit. Too damn short.
Definitely is short.
This one's good. Somebody told me to ask you, is 6 still ugly?
I never thought this was
I go. How you get something with that?
I told you, brush them out of here. They have the heads on them. You just want to talk to you.
I want some more food.
Streaming everything.
They grubbing. They want some
You
more.
better be sitting out of the bag. What you mean? He give me day some. You being such a good baby 6.
6 never ugly though. 6, you know you look good, right?
Wait, that's a name? That's the baby name? 6?
There you go.
Really? Wait,
He
what?
said, yeah. Oh, this is a really good question.
Oh shit, that's a male baby. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't even know that. Honestly, is that why he was like, you don't want no girls? Oh shit.
The ladies want to know, guys.
My bad.
You guys here. Do men lie to protect the woman, or is it just for selfish reasons? Who wants to go first?
I think men lie. I think men don't lie, but
What?
I think men lie to protect the girl.
100%. No parents have to protect their kids.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna tell them straight up.
And I was telling the truth about every single thing.
Mm-hmm.
You gonna tell how long? So let me ask you this: how long are you gonna tell 6 that family is?
I'm not. My mom didn't used to do that. My mom was like, I bought all them damn gifts.
So you gonna tell them that on the break?
What
Mom
if
bought you
he's
presents.
so into Sam and he want to be an elf and everything when you grow up? You gonna tell him?
Super and all. That's all this little childhood.
I put that money in
And your Muslim ass don't even want me to tell him about Santa Claus at all. You put it down here and get him. Maybe 6 said, I heard you on Christmas, Daddy, when you said we can't get a Christmas tree.
I don't never tell you when you're on the street.
So y'all saying that y'all lie to protect the girl's feelings. So what happens when... Where you going? Oh, you can't be leaving in the middle of the video.
That nigga don't. Bro, that nigga crazy. Fuck, you seen that piece of food? That nigga DDG grubbing. He's grubbing.
With fire in this movie, because you have to take this style break.
Alright, at this point, bro, I'ma skip, cause they at this point they just eating and shit like.
Who lost their virginity first?
I was 13.
He was probably 8.
What?
He was 8.
Wait, what?
He was
Oh,
12.
y'all was right behind each other, so.
Damn. 6th grade.
Isn't that
In the alley. He was a smother shit.
He's so cocky with it too. Nigga, who the fuck? 12 years
Damn.
old. Wait, what?
No, exactly.
Hey, January 1st, 2010.
What the fuck? I don't know the name.
January 1st, 2010. It was around like 4 o'clock. Sneezing some cheeks.
2010. How old is you?
22. I was in jail. So I was like,
You were in jail every freaking year. You gotta stop.
you can niggas be in jail? I'm sorry.
That's the type of man she liked then, huh? Hey, bro. Can't say nothing about it, right? She said he been in jail every single year. DDG been in jail none.
Like, do y'all have basketball court? Oh, y'all do, right? That's probably when you learn how to play. Do people get shanked?
Let me ask you this thing. Okay, so I be seeing some niggas in jail with arms and shit. Is that okay?
We used to be FaceTiming all the time.
In jail? So you seen the cell?
Yeah. He gave me his order first time, but then it became like a regular day.
That's fucking lit.
Like the COs are bringing phones in.
Oh, they was on some scam shit, huh?
Cause you gotta think of the CO get paid like $9, $10 an hour. They like make for
And they tax them like
going back for $500,000.
$100,000.
Hello, US.
Damn. You had an iPhone?
No, Android.
He taxed you $500 for an Android.
One time $1,000.
What?
Oh, that's.
It's lit, yeah. Quality face test benefits.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm. So we have.
That's not bad, man.
Yeah, not bad.
Still can't be that bad. I got a phone. I got little games and shit.
Yeah, alright.
He didn't do nothing all day but sit on Instagram. FaceTime bitches.
What way to go over top of it, man? Like,
Okay, they said, where do y'all both see each other in 5 years? Or see yourself, sorry.
Well, 5 years. I think I've been talking about kids so much. I'm gonna have a kid in 5 years for sure. So, family man. 5 years. You know, like a trade war or some shit.
70 on the next level.
Yeah.
Speak it into existence.
Okay. 5 years, I'm gonna be what? 27?
Damn, you are so wrong. No, not like that. I'm saying like you have accomplished a lot at a young age.
I appreciate it.
I don't even realize how young you actually are sometimes. I just said to him the other day, I'm like, I forgot he was young. Tell him, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Please don't think I'm super ignorant.
Bro, she like 26, right? Damn.
elementary school.
Wow. And he's 22 years old. That's good
Good
shit.
job, Papa.
That was a good answer.
What's up,
Yeah, you talking my phone. What's up, Mom? 6 is low. You are low. Alright.
He's 6'9".
The sex when we prepared.
Do you think Tyler has an accent?
Sure, guys.
Does it sound like you?
I don't know. I don't know what it is. Wait, let me ask you this. Say do in a sentence.
He's not from Baltimore. He wasn't even say with Baltimore people like do.
Yeah.
Do. He was locked up with a lot of people from Baltimore.
What do you mean? I remember love you from Baltimore. Send 7 the video of you saying do in a sentence.
And what's the word I like to hear Baltimore people say? Dang. It was this one word I will always repeat all the time.
They don't say dog, they say dog.
Dub. That's a dub. Who's a dub? Back to 7 because I'm the most important part of this video. Somebody said, both of y'all name one thing y'all don't like about me. You just won't say nothing.
I don't have dislikes.
I don't feel me a little bit.
Yeah.
You tell me if you did. I quite enjoy knowing I don't do that.
she don't want something simple, like she could just text me, but she'll FaceTime me 100 times. Like, to say one thing that she could have texted me, he could have just...
You know, just like that, because I do that to you too.
Nah.
Every time I just FaceTime you, like, you could have texted me. That's why you bothering.
You be doing that to me, like, you
Because all the time it's going to take me to text you, you respond, I could just give my answer to FaceTime. And I also just be trying to do check-ins on you. Just because we gotta watch you. Your leash is very short.
Alright, bro, I'm gonna leave it as that.
Oh, God, y'all.
DDG means that baby daddy. So, yeah, guys, smash that like button if you didn't already. It's your boy Steven Valcuz. I'll catch you in the next video. Yeah, if you want to be a part of my journey, man, all you gotta do is subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. It's your boy Steven Valcuz, man. I'll catch you out. Peace out.